What's up everyone, it's your boy Daniel, and today I'm going to be reviewing the ESNTLS Tee. Now this is apparently the best t-shirt in the world. So this t-shirt was created by Jose Zuniga from Teaching Men's Fashion. Now if you haven't heard of TMF before, Jose is one of the biggest men's fashion and lifestyle YouTubers with almost 3 million subscribers, and who the f knows how many Instagram followers he has, but I'm sure he's got plenty. Now this is going to be a two-part series. The first part today is I'm going to take you through a review of the t-shirts. I'm going to give you my first impressions, we're going to talk about the quality and the fit, and I'll go through some pricing with you. The second video I'll do comparisons between the ESNTLS Tee, which is the best t-shirt in the world, and some other shirts from a local shopping centre. I'll tell you which one's better, I'll take you through some suggestions, and then I'll let you know, is this shirt really worth it? Alright, the first impressions when you get anything, the very first thing you see is the packaging. So I bought two shirts, they both fit into this lovely packet here. It's got the ESNTLS logo on it, it's got some social media handles and also the website and your standard tracking information on the back. Once you open it up, the shirts come in more plastic sleeves, just like this. Clear plastic sleeves, shirts printed in it. In the shirt there's no paper, there's no cardboard, there's nothing like that, it's just the shirt inside. The very first thing you notice is how heavy the shirt is. So this is just meant to be a plain tee, which are usually they're quite light. I think this one weighs 320 grams, what I saw on the website, but it's got this nice weight to it and it's super soft. Now in terms of the quality, it's made out of a bamboo and cotton blend. So I've never worn a shirt before with any part of bamboo in it at all. So it's mostly bamboo, cotton, and a little bit of spandex to give you that stretch. It's super soft, it feels perfectly weighted. It feels like it was crafted with the best fabrics that you can find. So first impressions in quality, amazing. Now the second thing that you'll notice is the fit. So the fit of this shirt is just unbelievable. So I purchased two shirts in large. I usually wear a medium, but because these motherfuckers sell everything so quick, they had nothing in my size. So I bought two in a large, and I assumed when I picked them up that I have to do some rolling of the sleeves and things like that, or I'd have to roll the sleeves up to make sure it fits really well, but I was wrong. So these shirts are fitted so well. So these are tight across the arms. Don't have to roll up anything, so these are tight across the arms, they're tighter across the chest and the shoulders, so everywhere you want it to be tight, they've got you covered. It also has, it feels like it's tapered on the back to really accentuate your V shape, a natural shape that every man wants. This shirt's going to help give it to you. But my favorite part about this shirt is actually what happens around the midsection. So it's not too tight around the stomach, it's tight everywhere on the shirt, but on the stomach it's still quite loose and there's a little fabric to play with. So what that means is I can smash all the fried chicken that I want, and I can knock back as many beers as I can. It still feels sexy and amazing while wearing this shirt. The other thing you'll notice is about the length. I don't know if you can see this, but the length hits right around that mid button. It's perfect, it's got the perfect length on it. And it just sits there perfectly. As I lift my arms up, if I do any movement, you'll see that the bottom of the shirt doesn't move too much. So in terms of the fit, amazing. It's a really good shirt. Now the price, this is where it gets interesting. So these retail for only $30 US. It seems like a great price, right? But for me, I happen to live on the other side of the world, so I had to pay for shipping as well. The other thing to keep in mind is that the US dollar is a lot stronger than the Australian dollar, which means I had to pay even more. The positive thing is that they do ship all around the world, so regardless of where you are, you have access to an ESNTLS Tee. But keep in mind that this is going to cost you. So I bought two shirts, which equates to $60 US. I also paid $44 shipping, which makes it quite expensive for your daily t-shirt. So I paid $104 US. At the time, I think I paid about 125 Australian dollars for two t-shirts. Now the question is paying that amount of money worth it for a shirt of this quality? Well, stay tuned for part 2 of the ESNTLS t-shirt review, where in the next video, I'll compare this super soft, well-fitted t-shirt with some other pickups from Zara, H&M and UNIQLO. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a thumbs up and hit the like button below. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? You don't have a YouTube account? Create one. Once you've created one, watch the video again, hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell as well. Adios amigos, peace.